MIBS is the managed service piece of the equipment that they're buying, and BIC, that is the basic maintenance contracts that come with that product. You can, under E-rate, just buy the product and don't buy the services or the maintenance. But if you want to, you can include it all in one bundle, the installation, the maintenance, and everything associated with that product. So MIBS is the managed capabilities of that product that they just got through E-rate. And that gives you the ability to, if you don't have the staff to manage that infrastructure, you can, through E-rate, get the same level of funding to have the government help you pay for the management of that infrastructure. And some of the changes that are coming to E-rate, there's a lot of proposals out there. What may come out, I don't know. But security is something that a lot of the school districts have been submitting requests to start including cybersecurity and security products into the E-rate funding category.